Hello children, today we can study question number 12. Write a program in Java to find the sum of the given series. So first s is equal to a square plus a square by 2 plus a square by 3 plus a square by 10. And b s is equal to a plus a square by 2 plus a cube by 3 plus up to a raised to 10. And C1 S equal to A into B, A into 2 plus A into 3 plus A into 20. So you have to find out the series of these three. Now we can see the program. Here we are taking which package? Scanner class, and our class name series A. Open the curly bracket, head to main function, public static void main string, then for input scanner class. Then you have to print enter system.out.print enter A. Then int A equal to int.next int. Then double data type, in that you have to store sum equal to 0.0. Then for loop int I equal to 1 semicolon I less than equal to 10 semicolon then I plus plus. So you have to find out the sum. Sum plus equal to mat.pow, open the bracket a comma 2 oblique I. Then you have to print that sum. Now we can see how we'll get this series and sum. After that sum. Then for updation I plus plus is there, and you have to find out the sum equal to mat.pow, open the bracket a comma 2 oblique I. For first updation, what will be a comma 2. A comma 2 is there, oblique 1 equal to what will give you a square. In second updation, a comma 2 oblique 2 will give a square by 2 because I is there, so I will become a 2. In third updation, a comma 3 upon 3 will give you a square by 3. In fourth updation, a comma 4 oblique 4 equal to a square by 4 because I is there, that is why increment is going on. Then fifth updation, a comma 5 will give you 5 equal to a square by 5. So you will get a series as sum equal to a square plus a square by 2 plus a square by 3 plus a square by 4 plus a square by 5. In this way you can find out this series. Now we can see the second series. The series name series B. Then open the curly bracket, public static void main, that main function you have to write. Then for input scanner class we are using here, and system.out.print enter A. Then int A equal to int.next int. Then double sum equal to 0.0. For one loop is there. For int I equal to 1, I less than equal to 10, then I plus plus, and you have to find out the sum. And what was sum? mat.power, open the bracket a comma I oblique I. Then you have to print the sum. Now we can see how we'll get this series. Now I plus plus, then mat.power a comma I oblique I. Then for first updation, your a comma I will become as a 1. Oblique I is there, so it become 1. You will get a only. In the second updation, I will become a 2. So a comma 2 oblique 2 will get a square by 2. In third updation, I will become a 3. So we will get a comma 3 oblique 3. So you will get a raised to 3 oblique 3. In fourth updation, I will become a 4. So a comma 4 oblique 4. You will get a raised to the power 4 oblique 4. In fifth updation, I will become a 5. So a comma 5 oblique 5, you will get a raised to the power 5 oblique 5. So now we will get a series as sum equal to a plus a square oblique 2 plus a cube oblique 3 plus a raised to the power oblique 4. Then you have to get the sum. When you enter a, then it will be the add. Now we come to the third series. Third series, public class series C. Then main function you have to write, the scanner class you have to use, and you have to print enter A. Then int A equal to int.next int. then long sum equal to 0. Then for open the bracket, int I equal to 2 semicolon I less than equal to 20 semicolon I plus plus, and you have to find out the sum plus equal to a into I. Then you had that sum you had to print. Now that same thing, our updation will be I sum equal to sum plus a into I. Then what will be there? For second updation, a into 2 you will get as a into 2. Then third updation, a into 3, then you get a into 3. Fourth updation, a into 4, and fifth updation, a into 5. Then you have to add all this. So sum equal to a into 2 plus a into 3 plus a into 4. When you enter a, then after that you get the sum. Now we can see the output of these three series. In first series, I entered a equal to 2, so we'll get the sum is equal to 11.7158. In the third series, enter a equal to 2, so we'll get the sum is equal to 237. In third series, we had here I have entered a equal to 4, so the sum is equal to 836. So in this way you can do this series. Thank you. Today for this much only. Thank you, my dear children.